Let's test the new stair pack. I have designed a new bunch of stairs that looks very similar to the old, except now they are generated in metric and imperial. So I'm just doing a little bit of adjustments here just to test that they work with all sizes. No, that's not logical. And that's no longer current, but you have to have something. Okay, there we go. All right, pretty good. However, I'm going to reverse everything I've done here and not save it. These are stairs that are modeled better than before. I probably should. Okay, so this is metric. This is metric. So I have to take out all these underscore ones here, and I will do that and make them favorites. All right, so rise, let's make it 220. Yeah, and runs such and such. Right? Okay. People are always asking for my libraries in metric, and I've found a way to turn imperial into metric. It still takes a while, but it's getting done. So I'll be applying that same thing to my cabinet fusion frameless group. Right now it's all in imperial, but I will be making it into metric in the next few days. It might take a while, probably by next week, Monday. All right, so stay tuned. But as for today, I am sending out Stair Pack 2. No, Stair Pack. Stair Pack, and it has most styles that you will use. Open left, open right, with a little miter edge there. Miter center, also sawtooth, and these will be both in metric and imperial. Enjoy.